you can select this sketch, go to sketch again, make two center lines, create a line with the angle of 30°. You can mirror this line, mirror about this center line, give a sketch fillet of 3mm to this point like this. And now you can go to convert entities, convert this edge, go to trim and remove unnecessary parts. Now you can extrude this sketch in reverse direction up to the surface of this surface. Again select this surface, go to sketch, make a circle of 5mm and go to extruded cut, cut this sketch up to through wall. And now you can go to linear pattern in feature command. In linear pattern you can see that there is a command of circular pattern. Select this sketch, this edge, and go to features. In feature you can select this cut and this extruded boss base. Our number of elements are 6. And this is the flange sleeve for our, this is our final design.